Did you know the kidney is the special filter system of the body? The kidneys are located beneath the lower ribs on either side of the spine. They are reddish-brown in color and have a bean-like form. A clenched fist is roughly the size of each kidney. The kidney's primary function is to filter waste from the blood and then restore the purified blood to the body. Through the renal arteries, roughly 1 liter of blood, about 1/5 of the total amount of blood the heart pumps, enters the kidneys every minute. The blood returns to the body via the renal veins after being cleansed. In addition to acting as a filter system, kidneys produce and control vital hormones that aid in blood pressure regulation, red blood cell synthesis, and intestinal calcium absorption. For the body to function, kidneys keep bodily fluid levels at the proper amounts. It also regulates the amount of water, salt, and other chemicals that circulate throughout the body to control body chemistry. Your kidneys serve a number of vital purposes in your body. But it can still be affected by a wide range of illnesses. The following are common conditions that affect your kidneys: renal failure, kidney cancer, chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, and polycystic kidney disease. In their early stages, the majority of kidney issues show no symptoms. However, as kidney disease worsens, you could observe, first, a tense muscles. Your muscles tighten as a result of electrolyte imbalances. Next, urine will also be dark or contain blood. When the kidney's filters are damaged, blood cells might seep into your urine. Then pee that is foamy. Excess protein may be indicated by bubbles in your urine. Also dry, itchy skin. Itchy skin is caused by an imbalance of minerals and nutrients in your blood. To add, frequent urination. This happens when kidneys have issues in filtering waste. Swollen ankles and feet may also be noticed. This is because a lesson on kidney function can trigger body to hold sodium and protein, which leads to swelling. Lastly, sleep problems may experience, as toxins build up in bloodstream, sleep appetite and energy level may be off. To assess kidney function and identify kidney issues, medical professionals suggest a number of tests. Your healthcare practitioner might suggest urinalysis, renal biopsy, blood test, ureteroscopy, and diagnostic imaging tests, such as X-ray, ultrasound, MRI, and CT scan. It is a necessity to take care of our kidneys. One can reduce the risk of damaging the kidneys by quitting smoking, reducing salt consumption, maintaining ideal weight, limiting use of NSAIDs, drinking water, and monitoring blood sugar level. A healthy kidney is vital to your general well-being. Kidney illness can save lives if detected early. Kidney failure can be avoided or postponed with medication, lifestyle modifications, and an early referral to a kidney specialist.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.